A very warm welcome to this particular video, dear friends. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss about a certain problem which you might be facing right now as a content creator. Well, what is that problem which we are talking about over here? Well, if you are new to the world of content creation or you are just now starting to learn the ABC of content creation, then you might be wondering which particular hardware to purchase, whether that would be within your budget or not. If you are into face cam videos, then which particular camera you should go for. In this video, particularly, I'm going to talk about something called as a webcam. You all know what a webcam is, right? But what if the webcam which you're currently having is not giving you a high resolution image or video? Well, in that case, you only have one option, that is you have to purchase a high quality webcam. But in this video, I'm going to discuss about a solution which could really help you out, and you won't require to shell out huge amount of money in purchasing a high quality or high resolution webcam. Well, how to do it? Let's just watch the video till the very end and you will get the answer to your questions. Okay, so stay tuned. Well, dear friends, if you're still confused what this video is all about, let me give you a subtle hint. As per statistics, most of the YouTube videos are being watched on mobile devices. So the device which you are currently carrying in your hand is the answer to the question. Question is, which particular webcam should you use? Now you might be a little confused. Well, I'm talking about your mobile device or your smartphone which you are currently having in your hands. That particular device will actually work as a webcam. Well, how? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your mobile phone as a webcam, connect it to your laptop or computer and shoot high quality videos or images. Well, whatever webcam you are currently using, it might be around 2 megapixels maximum or 5 megapixels maximum in resolution, right? Well, in most of the cases, the mobile phone you are currently using might be having more than 2, 3, 4, 5 or even 8 megapixels camera, right? So why not use that particular device itself and avoid spending on webcams or high resolution webcams, right? You can spend on these particular webcams, but if you're new to the world of content creation, then you must be thinking of spending judiciously, right? So why not do this particular trick and save yourself some money, right? So let's jump into this particular video. Let me show you my computer screen and then I will show you which particular software I'm talking about. So let me add a particular scene over here. You must be aware of what I'm exactly doing right now. You must have seen my previous videos where I have discussed about OBS Studio. So right now I'm shooting this video in OBS Studio. Okay. So what exactly you see over here is nothing but my screen. And now let me show you how you can make use of this particular software which I'm talking about. So let's get started with the tool which I am going to show. The tool which is required for setting up your mobile phone as a webcam is nothing but a tool called Droidcam. In fact, the video right now is from that particular mobile device itself. So this is the mobile device interface which you can see on your screens. This is the footage which is directly going into my feed right now. So let me drag this. As you can see, the video footage on the bottom right is nothing but from this particular software interface. You can see that behind me there is a green screen, and that green screen is converted into a transparency sort of screen. On your right hand side, you can see the transparent background behind me. If you want to know more about how this green screen is added to the video footage, then you can check out my previous video. It's on top. The cards, you can click on the cards and watch that particular video. Okay, so let's get back to this topic over here, that is how to set up your mobile device as a webcam. So right now what you need to do is, if you are having an Android device, it will be very simple for you to set this up. Simply go to Google Play Store on your mobile phone and check for a particular software called Droidcam. Now there are two versions, Droidcam, which is the free one, and Droidcam X. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you want to just try it out, see the features, see the functionalities of Droidcam, then you can go with this particular free version. I am currently using the Droidcam X version, which is the paid version. When I had purchased this particular software, it was around 700 rupees, but it was for lifetime. So if you like the particular app, you can pay for it and get the app. So it is not that costly, it is affordable. So if you are really serious about your YouTube journey or your content creation journey, then you can go with it. Fine, but before jumping into the paid option, simply check the free version as well. The Droidcam is available as a free app also. Right now, if you are just starting with it, download the free one, get used to the environment, get used to the app, then you can think and wisely take a decision. Okay, so right now you have to do two things. First, go to Play Store on your mobile device and download this particular software on your mobile phone which you want to use as a webcam. Similarly, you need to download a PC client as well, or PC software using which you are going to connect your mobile phone to your PC, right? So you have to download this software also, which is Droidcam Windows Client. So if you are using a Windows OS, simply go to the website. I will also drop the link in the description section. Simply go to that website and download this particular software. So again, let me reiterate. You have to download two things. First, on your mobile device, you have to download this Droidcam application by visiting Google Play Store and downloading it. Similarly, on your laptop or your computer, if you are using Windows, then you have to download this software from the official website of Droidcam. It is also available on the Apple App Store. So if you are having an Apple device, you can download it from that particular location as well. Similarly, if you are running a Linux client instead of a Windows client, you can download the same client for the Linux machine also. So once you have downloaded it, just follow the steps on your screen. You have to open your mobile app, that is a Droidcam or Droidcam X, whichever you have downloaded. On the left hand side of your screen, you can see my mobile device. I have recorded the steps on my mobile device to make life easier for you. So what you have to do is simply follow the steps. Open Droidcam or Droidcam X and you will be able to see an interface. The only thing is you have to connect your laptop or your PC and your mobile device with the same Wi-Fi or hotspot, whichever you are using. Once you click on the Droidcam mobile app, you will see something like this. An IP address will be generated. Just make a note of this IP address because you are going to need this while setting up your webcam. Step number 2 is you have to open your Droidcam application on your Windows device or Linux device, whichever device you are using. And you have to enter the same IP address over there. Change the IP address to whatever is shown on your mobile device. It may keep on changing every time you are opening your app. So enter that IP address on that device and press OK. So once you're done with it, you will see something like this. Let me show this to you. So this is what will be shown to you. This is nothing but the Droidcam client on the Windows device. So right now, these are the features shown in front of you. There might be something grayed out for you because all the features will not be available for the free version. For example, autofocus and similarly zoom in and zoom out might not be available. I'm not sure at this point of time what the free version is offering you. When I had purchased this 2-3 years back, at that point of time, these features were not available for the free version. Whatever it is, the basic functionalities might still be available, which will enable it to be used as a webcam along with OBS Studio. So this is the Droidcam client, which you can now connect and use as a webcam. But how? So let's see. The steps are very simple. Don't be afraid of it. You simply need to open your OBS Studio, something like this, and create a scene. Go to a scene. Now what you need to do is simply click on plus and click on window capture. You might have seen this in our previous videos, in our previous tutorials. So simply click on window capture. And now you add an existing one or create a new window capture. Let me create a new one and show it to you. Magic, right? So as you click on the window capture, the Droidcam client pops up, right? So simply click on OK, and now you can drag and drop your webcam over here. Isn't it magical? So the only thing left is whatever portion you want to be shown on the screen, simply crop it by pressing Shift Alt and then drag it accordingly. So it will look something like this. Isn't it simple? So what else is left? You want to make the portion transparent? Yeah, we can do that. You know how to do it. In our previous videos, we have seen that. Click on filters, go to plus, click on chroma key, press OK, and that's it, because the basic default color is green. So click on it, press OK. So now your webcam feed is ready in front of you. You can use this webcam feed on your OBS Studio as long as the Droidcam feed is maximized. As soon as you minimize it, you will see the particular camera feed has paused. So you have to keep it maximized all the time. You can click anywhere and that will vanish. Okay, so that's it in this particular video. Now you can use this webcam feed to record your streaming sessions, to record your online lectures, whatever you want to do. If you want to know how to use this camera along with OBS and PowerPoint to make interactive lectures and interactive recordings, you can check out my previous video. The link is in the description section as well as in the video cards. So that's it in this particular video. I hope you like the content of this video. If yes, then do show your love by liking this video, sharing this video with your friends and family, and dropping your comments in the comment section. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. It will obviously motivate me to record more such videos for you in the near future. Take care. Thank you. God bless you.